Hello, my friends. I hope you're having an awesome day. I was journaling this morning, thinking about my life and stuff, and some of the things I've learned in the last couple of years. So, why not make a quick video about some of these things I wish I knew a little bit earlier in my life? Even though I do believe going through these kind of things is what makes us grow, it won't hurt you to listen to some of them. First thing is, the more you let others, especially your friends or your parents, control your life, and you don't establish any boundaries, the more likely is that you will be pushed into doing something you absolutely hate. Feel free to listen to others, but be the one making decisions that you want. You should be the one taking control of your life. Second tip is, a good workout doesn't replace a bad diet. Yes, calories matter, but your overall health comes first. Different foods trigger different reactions in your body. Also, it's way easier to eat a pizza worth 1000 calories than to burn those exact same calories with exercise. Way harder. Tip number 3, even if socializing fills you with anxiety, it's best to force yourself to just suck it up and do it anyway. Otherwise, you could end up very lonely in life. We are social creatures and we need people to talk with, either friends or business partners, whatever it is. And it's a skill that you need to develop. Tip number 4 is, let go of the myth that everything happens for a reason. Failure and loss are inevitable, but trying to rationalize them can be the last thing you need to do. Don't stress about what isn't in your hands. There are some things you simply cannot control. But remember that the way you react is everything. No matter how many shitty things happen in your life, you choose how you respond. Instead, use your bad experience or your life experience to help others through their struggles. Number 5, most things get easier the more you do it, even if it doesn't feel like it. Even the most intimidating challenge can be conquered if we can manage to go through the first early steps. And you not only become more skilled in that area, but you also become more patient with yourself through the process. Gain momentum. Number 6 and last one, never stop reading and writing. It improves your memory, builds your vocabulary, and refines your communication skills. And I personally find it very, very relaxing. It's part of my daily routine. At the bare minimum, I write in my journal every day. And that's it for today. I have a lot more of these lessons, but I do think some of them are learned the hard way. And you can read or listen to everything you can, but you only learn after you go through them, if that makes sense. And that's how you become a better man, going through the hard shit in life. And the big lesson here is that act more so you can grow more. I hope you liked the video. If you can, like and subscribe, and I hope you have a very, very nice day, gentlemen.